Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB text interior. Panorama sunroof. GLA 250, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set all season, and regular floor mats. Blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, illuminated star when you open the door, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This GLA has 22,337 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.